What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Terry, and here, Passive Income Guru. Hey, I'm gonna keep showing up and I'm keep showing out. Right? When you have a product like the Passive Income Guru bot that keeps producing results week after week and month after month, you gotta share it with the world. As you can see right here, we ended the month of July with a bang. So I'm doing something very, very crazy for the rest of this month, okay? I have a crazy promotion going on right now for this software. Check this out. So the promo is this. So if you guys didn't know, I have my own passive income guru indicator that's color coordinated, okay? If you don't know what an indicator is, don't worry about it. It's simply a tool. So if you're a Forex trader and you trade the market manually and you want more consistent wins, you're going to want to have this tool in your back pocket. So right here, you see the green boxes. This means that the market eventually is going to go up. So the same algorithm that's coded into my passive income bot is the same algorithm that's on this indicator. Over 80% win rate if you follow the rules. So right here, you see the boxes form, and look what happened. All right. This works only on MT4. It can trade any pair on MT4. All right. So for just $1,000 one time, you're going to get my bot, and you're going to get the indicator, the passive income indicator, the Forex trader indicator. It's going to help you win 80% of the time. If you have a prop firm, right? If you're trying to pass a prop firm, this is perfect for you. If you're trying to run up your account, your broker account, this is perfect for you. All right. So you don't want to miss out on this. All right. So get with me ASAP. If you're on my other channels, just comment below or message me or book a time on my calendar and we can get you started right away. All right. This opportunity, this promo is not going to last long. I guarantee you this right here. There's already been a lot of people coming in right now, and it's going to continue to do so. I'm getting messages all the time now. So people want this. This is not going to be done anymore. Definitely jump on this. Don't miss out. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm a brand new grandpa again. I got 2 grandsons now born today. Check it out. You'll see. He's just born today. Watch this. And hey, look, he's gonna tell you get with the passive income guru program right now. That's what he's gonna tell you while he's crying. Watch this. Peace out.
Yeah, we gotta get it out. It's your name. It's your name.